In the previous video on using the formula language, you saw how to create custom formulas. If you're likely to use the same formula repeatedly, you can create a user-defined function that allows you to save the formulas you've created. You can also share your saved formulas with colleagues for more efficient collaboration. The user-defined feature allows you to add custom formulas to Macrobond's formula library. In the previous tutorial, we looked at creating a formula for measuring contributions to GDP. This is a good example of the type of formula that's worth saving to cut down on repetitive tasks. So let's have a look at how it's done. To create a new user-defined formula, click on Edit in the menu bar and select User-Defined Functions. The editor window consists of 3 sections. On the left, you can select from a list of custom functions that have been used in your different accounts. In the middle, you have the formula editing field where you create and save new formulas. And on the right, you have the formula library, which you can use if you want to select an existing formula as the building blocks for something new. To create the formula, click on Add, here. Always start with a point or period to differentiate it from the standard formulas. Assign a function name to the formula, and then add the variables in parentheses. Then add an equal sign. We've named the variables so that it's easier to identify them, but they can also be called x and y, for example. If any part of the formula is written incorrectly, that portion will be underlined in red, with a description of the problem being shown in the text field at the bottom of the editor. To finish off the process, add a description for your new formula in the field above. Then choose a formula group here, and finally select which account you want to save it in. With these parameters set, you should have no problem quickly locating your formula in the library. It's easy to find and apply a saved formula. Begin writing the name in the formula expression field. Don't forget that you need to include the point at the start. Otherwise, select it from the formula list on the right. And there you have it. Now you know how to build up a library of custom formulas that saves you the time of creating them from scratch for every document.